So this is all about reflection. This is page 12 in your workbook, and you're going to be answering 4 questions. And that's what we've got here on step number 1. So what is your focus? Which inclusive principle? So you're going to say to your team, you're going to write down, this is what I'm focusing on. What micro strategy have you tried? So you're going to talk about the actual activity that you've done, the specific thing that you've done, whether that's changing the layout in your classroom or trying some questioning tactics or whatever it might be, encouraging hands-on. You're then going to explain what impact have you noticed? This is a key question for us. So this is the key one. Out of these 4, this is an important one. What impact have you noticed? So you've tried something, you've changed something. What's happened? And then the 4th question, what are you going to do next? What's your next step? And some of you might be going, oh, well, I need to collect more data. I need to test it some more. I need to go and try this in a different class. Maybe some of you still haven't got started yet. Whatever situation you're in, you can talk about some of these questions in your breakout.